Bonsoir, New York! My name is Alice Psycho and I'm a drag queen. So the first step of this makeup is placing all the light on my face. So I'm using white for this, placing on the center, on my nose, and defining the future shape of my eyebrows with the white. Then I'm choosing to define the depth of my face, the contour, with pink. All the way, all around the face so that it blends perfectly with my future brain that I'm gonna add on later. This look is inspired by the famous movie Mars Attacks, and I'm playing the Martian lady coming for your brains. Makeup to me means inspiration, freedom, and the liberty to express whatever is my fantasy of the moment. My message to those who think men shouldn't wear makeup? Well, take one look at this face, honey, and tell me again, what do you think? I can wear it every day, going shopping, doing the show, living my fantasy, and you should do too. For the lip, I'm choosing a black lipstick to add the most depth to this makeup. And on top of that, I'm adding a little bit of metallic green to put some shine to these angry lips. Thank you guys very much for watching. Don't forget to follow Alice Psycho on Instagram. And boys do it too. See you next time!
Thank you.